Tesla has had a great year. The stock has risen about 40% year to date, adding to the growth stock's 743% gain the previous year. Investors have applauded the company's skyrocketing profits, which have been driven by strong sales growth and margin increase. However, how will the corporation fare in 2022? And what is Tesla Energy? Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about Tesla's energy business expansion. Tesla uses this to store and distribute energy. This aligns with their vehicle strategy, but energy is a scheme unto itself, and we can see that Tesla did indeed split the two routes. Energy will be left to see what it can do in the globe. It has already achieved a lot, so let's take a look at why Tesla Energy will take over in 2022. So without further ado, let's get into it. Tesla Giga Austin and Giga BB. First, there are two new gig factories ready to begin production with assembly lines built for 500,000 automobiles per year. Both of these plants will begin construction of additional manufacturing lines once the current lines are completed. Within a year, a new production line can begin delivery. The next line in Austin will most likely be for the Cybertruck, followed by a semi-truck plant. Giga Berlin Brandenburg, BB, need a Model 3 production line, followed by a $25,000 model line. If European luxury automobile purchasers begin to seriously consider electric limos, Giga BB may require a line for the Model S and Model X. The construction of such plants will not be completed after the Model Y line is launched. Tesla Giga Shanghai. Shanghai's existing Gigafactory is also expanding. The Model Y production line, like the ones at Giga Austin and Giga BB, will expand to 500,000 units per year. A $25,000 model line will also be required in Shanghai. Hopefully, these $25,000 models will be available in the U.S. Most high-priced vehicles have global model lines. The market's lower half is far more sensitive to local expectations. In China, these should most likely be small sedans, CUVs, but in Europe, they should be small hatchbacks. A crossover utility vehicle based on a small sedan differs from one based on a hatchback. China is the world's largest market for high-end luxury vehicles, based on the sales of top vehicles from Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Porsche, and a few others. Local manufacturing of the Model S and Model X long versions, extended by a foot, seems likely. Fremont production, R&D. Model Y production in Fremont can be halted with this much Model Y capacity. This would free up space for Tesla to accomplish with the Model 3 and Y manufacturing lines what it's done with the Model S and X production lines, a complete redesign and rebuild to a greater capacity. It would also increase capacity for R&D on manufacturing technology. This is the skill that Tesla sees as its most significant long-term competitive advantage. Toyota's production mode was built by protocols, discipline, and organization. Tesla is committed to accomplishing using first principles technology. Fremont is the primary development facility for the alien production dreadnought. Tesla Energy. In November 2019, Tesla launched the Tesla Energy Plan in the United Kingdom in collaboration with energy provider Octopus Energy. One of the scheme's early adopters, architect Richard Hawkes, told Inverse that he gave up ownership of his Powerwall battery as part of the arrangement. Hawkes no longer has control over parameters such as how much electricity to store to protect against a power outage, but he does get a lower price on his electricity bills in exchange. Musk's remarks come as Tesla unveils major upgrades to its sustainable energy offerings. Tesla's solar roof pricing has been updated to account for roof complexity. Buyers' rates rose by around 30% as a result of the adjustment, despite the fact that they had already signed a contract. We did discover that we made some substantial errors in evaluating the difficulty of particular roofs, Musk stated. Tesla also stated that solar panels and Powerwall batteries would no longer be sold individually. Musk explained the move by arguing that it would make installation easier. This is consistent with Musk's ultimate goal of dramatically expanding Tesla's energy sector. Musk stated in July 2020 that he would want to see the energy company grow to be roughly the same size as Tesla's automobile division. At the time, the energy division accounted for only 6% of the company's total revenue. Nearly a year later, little has changed, with energy generation and storage accounting for around 5% of total revenue in the first quarter 2021 report. Sunrun, a competitor, deployed 455 megawatt-hours of solar capacity in 2020, more than doubling Tesla's. Tesla hailed great growth in its most recent quarterly report, with energy storage deployments increasing 71% year over year. but it's still a long way from Musk's lofty target. Tesla plans to acquire enough batteries to launch its energy storage sector in earnest. It is constructing a new mega factory in Lathrop, California, almost midway between Fremont and Giga, Nevada. If this factory can reach full capacity of 40 GHW a year, it will be more than double Tesla's present grid storage business. Tesla Solar is still looking for a business plan that matches the current PV market and Tesla's distinct business approach. There isn't going to be much progress here. Giga New York and Giga Nevada are not expected to increase significantly in the next 2 years. Storage and solar have the potential to develop to the size of the automotive industry. The biggest impediment is a lack of supplies and management capacity. Tesla software. Tesla, in addition to manufacturing things in factories, is also a software company. It does not only create software for its automobiles and enterprise management systems. Its AutoBidder and virtual power plants increase the value of its residential and grid storage systems. Tesla Insurance is built on software that assesses the risk of individual drivers. The company's most well-known and much-anticipated software product is its full self-driving FSD technology. It can be used as a highly advanced Level 2 ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, without certification. It will be infuriating to continue pretending to pay attention to the automobile driving itself when the technology is so good that it should be issued its own driver's license. This software will produce a lot of cash even as an ADAS system. However, revenue from using this system and robotaxi services will not begin to flow in meaningful numbers for the next 2 years. The Tesla supercharging network will generate the final significant revenue source in 2022. The network will increase in the next 2 years, both to accommodate drivers of Tesla's new cars and to make place for all the non-Tesla automobiles that can now visit Tesla chargers. Tesla offers the most extensive fast-charging network and the most competitive rate. It should be noted, however, that it lacked the most appealing locations in Europe because those were only affected to CPO firms who serve the general public, not only its own client base. Overall, Tesla had a lot going on, and if things go according to Elon Musk's plan, the Tesla energy industry will be soon booming. Hey people, you thought it was great to see this video. If you want to see which videos we have on our channel, then you should click above. What are your thoughts on Tesla energy? If so, how do you feel about it? Do you want to ask me a question? Please leave your opinions in the comments. I would definitely reply you back. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to receive timely updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.